Canva AI Video Generator. It's a hidden gem that can turn your idea into a full cinematic video in just a few clicks. Scenes, style, even voiceover, all done for you. Let's see how powerful this hidden Canva tool really is. First, open Canva and you'll see 3 options. From there, choose Canva AI. Now, just paste the prompt. Don't worry, I've shared the link in the description so you can easily copy it. I've combined 3 scenes into one prompt for you. Next, select Video Clip. Choose Style, Cinematic, and set the resolution to 16:9. Keep the rest of the settings as default, then click OK, and that's it. Canva will start generating your AI video. Once the video is ready, wow, look at that! Now, let's split the video into 3 parts. We'll add captions to make it more engaging. Just add text on each video slide and paste the captions. Again, you can copy them from the link in the description. Then, apply text animation for the best results. Repeat the same steps for all slides. Let's see the result. Perfect. But wait, we can make it even better with a voiceover. Go to the audio section on the left panel. I'm choosing Carol, the female AI voice. Click Generate Voice, and let's listen. No sound yet? No worries. Click the sound icon, select Balance All, and there it is.
Every great meal begins with a little love.
The real result. Now, add voiceover for the remaining slides. Let's check the final output.
Every great meal begins with a little love. Cooking isn't just about food, it's about passion, the joy of sharing, happiness on a plate.
Wow, amazing, right? So today, you just learned how to create an AI video using Canva, do simple video editing, add captions, and AI voiceover, all inside Canva. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and support our channel. Your support gives me confidence to create more content like this.